Oppo has confirmed that its upcoming Find X9 Ultra flagship will launch in global markets, marking the first time the company's Ultra-branded flagship is stepping outside China. The device is expected to pack top-tier hardware, including the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset and a massive 7,000 to 7,500 mAh battery. However, the cameras are shaping up to be the real highlight. A new leak from Weibo has once again revealed more details about the phone's advanced telephoto camera system. According to tipster Digital Chat Station, the telephoto hardware on the Oppo Find X9 Ultra could be the biggest upgrade among upcoming Ultra flagships. The device is said to feature a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with a large 1.128-inch sensor and an f.2.2 aperture, which should allow it to capture significantly more light than competing solutions. In addition, the phone may include a second periscope super telephoto camera. This sensor is expected to be a 50-megapixel 1.276-inch unit offering 10x optical zoom, giving the device the flexibility to handle both mid-range zoom photography and extremely long focal lengths. Another well-known tipster, Ice Universe, reposted the leak and suggested that the Find X9 Ultra could feature the most powerful telephoto hardware currently planned for a smartphone. Alongside these, the device is rumored to feature a 200-megapixel main camera based on the Sony LYT-901 sensor, as well as a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The Find X9 Ultra may also support a professional teleconverter kit, similar to the accessories expected for the Find X9 and Find X9 Pro. This accessory could extend the phone's reach to around a 300mm focal length for even more powerful zoom photography. Beyond the camera system, the Find X9 Ultra is rumored to feature a large 6.82.6.9-inch 2K AMOLED display and support for 100-watt wired fast charging. The flagship is currently expected to debut in global markets sometime in the second quarter of 2026. With that said, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily tech updates, and I'll see you guys on the next one.